Hey guys, another video here. We got a 2017-18 Malibu. I don't even know the year, but it had a clunky noise on the rear, kind of like a poppy noise. And some of these ones have the issue with the shock mount on the top. But this one doesn't have the problem. It pops on both sides. And the problem is your knuckle. This bushing, it's supposed to rotate and it sees. It doesn't move no matter how hard you try. It should move really easy. And you can see the new spindle right now here. And you can see how easy it moves. So that's probably where your noise is coming from. They do make this part aftermarket. I found this one at the dealer, but they're on back order. And with the strike going on from the UAW, who knows if you can even get the part.